XA pleasure and thanks the you very much for me, Emma. Also, I studied at the Minuto de Dios University and graduating in 2011 as the aim for control technology as the graduation. I work higher and the CP company a post marketers for the last 10 years and I am currently the quality control analysis and the postcards development plan. During this time product return and the quality of customer service is increased in as the being a great experience but I graduated a month ago as the seafood engineer and I am looking for new opportunity. I experience and the knowledge new products, innovation and the food technology.